Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sling TV instant guide step by step clearly. To activate Sling TV, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Sling TV official website. Locate the sign up or get started button and click on it. Create a new account by entering your email address and setting a password. Choose your desired subscription plan from the available options. Enter your payment information to complete the sign-up process. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation message from Sling TV. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Now, go back to the Sling TV website and log into your account. Select your preferred streaming device from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the Sling TV app on your device. Open the Sling TV app after installation is complete. You'll be prompted to log in with your registered email and password. After logging in, an activation code will appear on your screen. Using another device, visit the Sling TV activation page. Enter the activation code displayed on your streaming device. Click the Activate button to complete the process. Return to your streaming device, and the Sling TV app will refresh automatically. You are now ready to enjoy Sling TV's content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.